Hello everyone, this is Ralph from Ralph's Trucking. It is March 31st, 2025. Here's some stupid things people did. One was a tractor trailer. Several cars around Dallas, Texas around lunchtime today, March 31st, 2025. In this truck, I'm going to show you it probably 3 times. If I didn't slow down, he would have wiped me out. He almost hit the Jersey wall. But I'm going to show you a couple different clips of that and a couple of these cars. Dallas, Texas people need to learn how to freaking drive. Okay, I'm going to start off with this tractor trailer. Here's the unmolested video. I was 67, went down to 59 because I saw them coming. Yeah, we're going to zoom in a couple pictures. Here's the proof of the speed. 65, 66, 67, 64, 59, 57. And here's the video. I was losing the right lane. This is 820 around Dallas. Headed eastbound. Around lunchtime today, March 31st, 2025. Right lane's ending, so I go over to the left lane. And you can see that truck's taking the exit. So I'm doing, like I showed you the speed, 65 to 67 miles an hour. Dotted line's getting closer, means the lane is ending. Watch my corner mirror. And there you see him. And you see the solid white line right now. It's Herc's Rental. And that's how close he was to my hood. And as you can see, I had to slam on the brakes. Yeah. Good job. Hopefully the company will fire his ass. And here's another one. Lane is ending. Still on 820. And watch this. And there's a still of his car. It's a Lexus. He's got too much class. Yeah, just cut a driver off. Smart. That's not the only one. We'll watch some more. Still in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, Dallas area. That car was kind of close, but not too bad. See, on board, incoming traffic on my right, traffic on my left. And boom. Yeah, I'm doing 30 miles an hour because it's stop and go traffic. And watch what he does here. He almost clips that pickup truck. Yeah. See, he almost had 2 wrecks within a quarter of a mile. And that truck almost hit that car. And that car almost ran in back of him. And here's the last one. Get out of my way. And I'll let you watch this truck driver do this again. I'm molested. Zoomed out. Real time. Tell me if I didn't hit the brakes, what would have happened? And right there, he almost hit the Jersey wall. Yeah. Good job.